Hi, this is Caleb Gedkin. Today we will be doing the unboxing of Chris Tomlin's And a Forgotten Forest album on CD, and it came out 2010. And the record labels are Six Step Records and Sparrow Records. Here's the cover. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the inside. Here's the disc itself. Here's the back of the disc. Here's the inside of the case again. Here's the cover of the booklet. Here's the inside of the booklet. And here's a picture of Chris Tomlin right there. And here's the back of the booklet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.